Today, I want to highlight the use case of AI in professional communication. As we all familiar that in the corporate world, everything will be in email or a letter. Every communication in the email or by a letter, and a effective crafted letter will impact more on the recipient. It give lasting impact on it and improve our images in front of them, whether it is our client or it is my employee. I want to make a quotation to my client or give an appointment letter to my employee, or even if I want to present my presentation to some my client or in front of my employees also. So I need to make more professional. So uh, it makes value to me and save my time. I want to show my screen, and my screen is visible.
Yes.
So using AI for professional communication. These are the main concepts which we use for generating through AI. AI help us in drafting of the letters, professional communications, any reports, or marketable contents. And if you are using AI repeatedly, so it understands my taste and my style. And in the second point, consistent messaging, he understand me and accordingly give the responses according to my taste and style. Thirdly, it also save my time by efficiency and the quality it gives, which helps us a lot. I show you the use case. As we all know that Section 43 BH is comes in the picture, and the MSME Act will give a major part in the payments. So for that, if we are asking payments to our clients that give us a prompt payment for save you from MSME Act repercussions and the Income Tax Act. So I just go to the chat GPT or Copilot and just copy paste a prompt that which giving that the name of the client and my invoice number, date and amount, and also giving the reference of the MSME. And just a click, it gave me a beautiful letter, a professional letter, which shows everything which I need. That my details of my payments, my bills, reference of my MSME, and give my MSME number, provide reference of section 43BH, and within a minute, it give a good communication letter. Side by side, if I want to give quotation to my client, so it is a first impression, give a good impression if the quotations are in a good language. By using Copilot, I show you that I just write the quotation format for statutory audit with my fees and the whatever the work to the ABC Limited. It will draft a letter with the scope of work, and if I want to increase the limitations, the term and conditions or any scope, so I just tell to him and he make the letter accordingly. Within a minute, he gave me that professional letter for my quotation of work. I show you another use case. Appointment letter. Generally, in the CA firms, we many times we are not issue a appointment letter to our employees or give a simple appointment letter or a oral communication with that. But by ChatGPT or AI tools, we are easily make a good appointment letter with many term and conditions which not orally explained to the employee, which is in written. By itself, it asks the details that Aadhaar card number or any other document he requires. In the AI, there is a issue that on never the each time it should give you the same responses or the better responses. So we need to check it and use repetitively so he understand our taste and style. As we make the letter, we just copy it and paste to a Word folder and put the details of our client and correct the invoice numbers. In the AI, there is an issue of we also understand the need of data security. As when we are using a open portal, so it may be hacked or maybe some data uh, security issue will be comes in that. So for that, we never show write our client's name or the actual amounts when you using for generating any documents. So for the data security and privacy, we use fake names or the fake amounts, which we are corrected when we are copied to the Word and shape it to accordingly. We also check that the any ethical issue in the AI because he is using any other email or sorry any other websites to generating the data. It may be some offensive language or some other type of sentences comes which is not suit for our image. So we need to read all the documents carefully and then share to for the communication purpose. Even in a not in a single line, if we want to describe a lot, ask for a ask for a detailed reconciliation with our customer, which we also required many times that the sum will amount will become less or more. So we are as a layman, we are just write whatever we want and write a prompt before that,
2 minutes
write a
remaining.
professional letter. And after that, it gives me this type of letter with all the details which I give to the AI tool and it gives me accordingly. Thank you. That's all for my side.